Have you ever felt stuck, like nothing changes no matter how hard you try? I did. Until I discovered 7 timeless habits from Stephen Covey, and I started small. 1 habit a day. In just 30 days, a single month, everything began to shift. My mind. My energy. My focus. Not because I worked harder, but because I worked wiser. These 7 habits changed my life, and I believe they can change yours too. One of these habits? It nearly broke me. And it wasn't the one I expected. It looked harmless. But it held the mirror I didn't want to face. And once I faced it, everything changed. Everything started to change when I learned to be proactive. I used to blame everything around me, the weather, people, circumstances. Until one day, I asked myself, what if I am the one holding the key? Being proactive is about choosing your response, not reacting out of habit. I may not control what happens, but I always control what I do next. Before reacting, just pause and ask yourself, what's the most powerful way I can respond right now? But choosing how you respond is just the beginning. Knowing where you're going, that changes everything. Real clarity came when I began with the end in mind. Have you ever been busy, but lost? That was me. I was achieving, working, grinding, but I wasn't heading anywhere I truly wanted. Then I asked, what do I want to be remembered for? That one question changed everything. Now I ask myself every morning, what would my future self thank me for today? Clarity is power. And a single month of intentional direction? That's life-changing, not just what you do, but who you're becoming. I used to let my inbox and my phone run my day. Until I realized, what's urgent isn't always what's important. So I flipped my day. I began with deep work. With purpose. With peace. Tomorrow morning, try doing your most important task before checking your phone. I finished mine by 9 a.m., and for the first time in months, I felt calm. Focused. In control. Stick with it, and by week 4, you'll feel a shift in who you are becoming. Another habit that changed how I view people and relationships was learning to think win-win. I used to compete. In everything. What changed me? Learning that we rise faster when we rise together. When I began to think win-win, my stress dropped. My relationships deepened. And results? They multiplied. In your next conversation, simply ask, how can we both win? Quote. That shift built real trust, and that's where real success begins. I remember a moment when someone opened up to me, and I was so busy trying to fix them, I missed what they truly needed, to feel heard. I used to listen just to reply. Not to understand. But real listening? That's love. When I slowed down and really listened, something shifted. Today, don't give advice. Just listen, and reflect what you hear. I discovered the power of synergy. Alone, I was good. But together, with the right people, I became powerful. It's not just teamwork, it's transformation. When you combine your strength with someone else's genius, That's when breakthroughs happen. Surround yourself with people who think differently, and build with them. The habit that holds all the others together? Sharpening the saw. I used to push myself non-stop, until my body pushed back. I ended up sick, anxious, and exhausted, because I thought rest was weakness. I couldn't have been more wrong. Now I recharge, with stillness, breath, and moments to just be. Because when I take care of my energy, everything sharpens. Start with just 15 minutes a day for yourself, whether that's movement, reading, or silence. Give to yourself first, and watch everything sharpen. Change your rhythm, and you'll change your life. One habit, one day, one transformation at a time. Imagine 1 month from now, clearer, calmer, more in control. Not because life got easier, but because you got stronger. That's what one habit can do. One habit felt small. But by day 15, something had changed. I wasn't reacting, I was creating. So, which habit will you begin today? You don't need to overhaul your life overnight. Start with one decision. Then a moment. Then momentum. Because your future? It's shaped by what you do right now. Start today. Build a rhythm. Over 30 days, you won't just change your habits, you'll reshape your identity. If this spoke to you, share it with someone you care about. You never know, it could change their life too. One habit. One day. A life aligned.